Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salaka ready. So, yeah, this morning I woke up and my wife made me some chai, which is really nice of her. And I had that, and she used heavy whipping cream. So I was kind of like, after I had it, I wasn't hungry. And then she was making some eggs for herself. And she asked me if I wanted some, and I said no. But then, I don't know, like an hour and a half later, I got really hungry. So I was hungry, and then on top of that, I had some leftover chips that I didn't feel like storing. So what I decided to do was take those chips, throw them in a pan, fry them up, like fry them up. I know it sounds weird, but I fried them up a little bit. And then, while they were frying, I chopped up a little bit of bell pepper. Sorry, let me take a bite. Excuse me. I took a little bit of bell pepper, chopped that up. Not a whole lot, like probably about a third of a bell pepper. In reality, somebody had already in our fridge cut up some bell pepper into like julienne slices. So I just took those and chopped them up a little bit more. I threw those in, let that cook a little bit. Oh yeah, I did stab the chips to break them up with my little mini spatula, just because I was hoping more of it would touch the pan to heat up better. So it actually kind of worked. While that was going on, took some cheddar cheese, cut that up, threw that in, let that kind of slowly melt. And I had this on low heat most of the time. Let that melt into it. Took a couple eggs, cracked them into a bowl, mixed them up, and then I poured that over this mixture of like chips and bell pepper and a little bit of melted cheese. I just put it on low heat and just kind of let it cook. I flipped it, I think 2 times until I decided that the cheese was melted, and took it out, put it on a plate, threw some jalapeno pieces on it, started eating it, and it was actually pretty good, I have to confess. So I hope you try it out, and if you do, let me know what you think. All right, thanks. Assalamu alaikum.